Manual picture introduction. Start special system. Click to enter the manual screen. Click reset and wait for the device to zero out. I/O monitoring allows you to view the current machine status information. Click to switch to inching mode. Adjust single jog distance. Click OK to save the changes. Click the tool settings screen to switch to the tool setting page. Click to return to the operation screen. Clicking on manual speed setting will pop up the settings page. You can edit the X-axis and Y-axis. Manual movement speed settings. Manual operation of axial movement. Manual operation of the material pressing switch.